Hello, good day, ladies and gentlemen. In this nice occasion, me and my team, Mariati Dibiora Gardiana, Andre Novi Rahmanto, and Ignatius Agung Satyawan, would like to talk about our paper, Perception of International Students Toward Social Media of Universitas 11 Maret. We are from Faculty of Social and Political Science, Universitas 11 Maret, Surakarta, Indonesia. In June 2022, Quacquarelli-Symonds released the QS World University Ranking 2023 based on 8 key assessment indicators, encompassing academic reputation, employer reputation, citation per faculty, student ratio, international student ratio, international faculty ratio, international research network, and employment outcomes. QS World University Ranking 2023 placed Universitas 11 Maret or UNS in 102,000 until 104,000 worldwide. As one of the ranking indicator outlined by QS and Times Higher Education, universities must continually strive to grow their international student population. Sinatra and Dharmastuti, 2009, declare 3 strategic models can be implemented to increase the number of students. That is, increasing student services, promoting the programs offered, and stressing partnership with the media. Social media is the most accessible online service today. It facilitates the creation, access, response, and dissemination of information. Therefore, colleges must be able to serve as a vehicle for establishing a positive reputation and image among all stakeholders. According to Sultan and Bhakti, 2019, the daily lives of millennial students are inseparable from social media. Students select social media sites that meet their informational, communicational, amusement, and self-actualization demands by paying close attention to the platform attribute. User impression of social media will be favorable if they are participatory and provide a forum for conversation. John Ledingham and Stephen Bruning proposed the relationship management theory. Quality organizational service will favor its image and reputation. Good service from a company in addressing the needs of all stakeholders will promote a good perception of stakeholders to establish a positive reputation for the organization. Within higher education, student satisfaction with the services provided will increase the quality of the relationship between universities and students, further impacting a positive perception and loyalty. More precisely, the positive perception of international students toward higher education services, including the fulfillment of information demands through social media, will be a means of promotion to attract prospective international students from their countries. Based on data from smartin.uns.ac.id as of March 2022, there were 152 international students at Universitas 11 Maret. Only about 0.46% of the total 3,793 UNS students. To expand the number of international students, UNS needs to continue strengthening its offerings, notably in terms of satisfying information demand through social media. This study intends to determine the perception of international students on UNS social media to fulfill their need for information. This research was undertaken by distributing a questionnaire to determine international student perception of various dimensions of social media effectiveness. Using the dimension of measurement and evaluation of public relations by Horn and Grunig in 1997, employed in the study of Kriantono 2020, the questionnaire was developed to assess the efficiency of higher education websites as information providers based on the following factors: transparency, interactivity, usability, maturity, positivity, openness, access, and useful information. The assessment comprised 5 answer categories, ranging from strongly agree with a score of 5 to strongly disagree with a score of 1. 20 respondents provided the following survey responses and questionnaire assessment as the primary data source for analysis. The results of this research are: first, the international students learn about UNS from their parents, friends, and teachers. This result demonstrates that word-of-mouth marketing remains an effective strategy for attracting international students. Therefore, the long-term increase in the number of international students will be contingent by the quality of the interaction between UNS and international students. When international students are satisfied with the service they receive at UNS, they will promote the university to prospective students from their home countries. Second, international students followed the official Instagram account of UNS at UNSofficial and utilized it as a source of information about academic activities such as UNS agenda and accomplishment seminar or competition information, and non-academic information such as vaccination program, event, and information about Solo. Third result is, as foreign national international students aspire to receive a larger proportion of news coverage of their everyday activities to help attract potential students from their home nation. In addition, international students hope that UNS social media would provide specific information regarding their self-actualization as international students, such as information on further study scholarship and career opportunities for foreigners, as well as opportunities to establish a relationship with international students from other universities. Fourth, the international students believe that UNS social media was an effective and up-to-date source of information. This level of efficacy is also evident from the dimension of measurement and evaluation of public relation assessment outcomes. None of the 8 analyzed dimensions receive ratings of disagree or strongly disagree from respondents. The effectiveness of ONS social media, according to international students, obtained an average total score of 445 of maximum score 500, acquire 89.125%. 5. Result. The international students willingly repost content they found useful on ONS social media and post on their social media accounts about their activities at ONS. Conclusion and recommendation. International students possess a positive perception of ONS social media. International students believe faculty activity schedule had not been adequately published on ONS social media platform. The limited access to information about ONS through social media by international students was caused by the lack of multilingual facilities on social media. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, in this nice occasion, we would like to thank the committee of the 7th International Conference on Social and Political Science, the informants, Institute for Research and Community Service, International Office ONS, and Faculty of Social and Political Science ONS, who supported the completion of this research. That's all for our presentation today, and thank you so much for your attention.